Hi, today our topic is machine learning in supply chain management. Machine learning is a very interesting but complex subject that can help solve many problems in supply chain across different industries. Machine learning is a popular application in supply chain management which is heavily dependent on the data. We are going to discuss some of the top advantages of machine learning. Those can drive efficiency and optimization in supply chain management today. But before discussing the advantages of machine learning or usage of machine learning in supply chain management, let's see what is machine learning is. Machine learning is basically a subset of artificial intelligence that allows software, algorithms, or system to learn and adapt without having to be programmed. So machine learning uses data or observation to train a model computer, and the different pattern in the data combined with predicted and actual outcomes are analyzed to improve the technology performance. So machine learning models based on algorithms are excellent at analyzing trends and spotting abnormalities. So any abnormalities or any trend uh, can be detected through machine learning. They can also derive predictive insight from large data set. So they also predict what is going to happen in future as well. This is a powerful solution for addressing some of the major challenges in the supply chain industry. So, uh, supply, so machine learning has these kind of qualities which can help to solve the major problem in our supply chain and perform and improve its performance. Machine learning give the edge to supply chain management in following areas like demand forecasting, quality inspection, visibility, customers experience, production planning, flexibility, routing, uh, cost reduction, customer service, warehouse and inventory management issues, last mile, last mile tracking of the our goods, and then fraud uh, prevention or reducing the fraud risks. So these are the some of the advantages machine learning provides to supply chain management. So let's discuss one by one in the coming slides. Companies can use machine learning models to benefit from predictive analytics for forecasting demands. So these machine learning models can identify hidden pattern in historical demand data. Machine learning in supply chain can be used to identify issue in supply chain. Therefore, they cause disruptions in business. So basically, machine learning using the historical data can find the hidden patterns or the future patterns in the supply chain management and identify the issues so we can solve it before it hit our supply chain. So the next advantage machine learning provides us in supply chain management is the enhancing of the quality by automatic inspection. Machine learning techniques enable automated analysis of industrial equipment defects and detection of damage using image recognition. So through image recognition and automatic inspection of the goods or equipment can help us to detect the quality in earlier states or in stages. So these automatic power quality inspection have the advantages of reducing the chances of customers receiving defective or faulty goods. So this can help us reduce the chances of customers receiving damaged or faulty goods. Machine learning also improves supply chain visibility, which is very important for supply chain. So machine learning techniques can help improve supply chain visibility significantly. This is possible by using a combination of IoT, deep analytics, and real-time monitoring. So these three things like Internet of Things, deep analysis or analytics, and the real-time monitoring will help to improve our visibility in supply chain management. Next important advantage machine learning provides in a supply chain is improve the customer experience. So machine learning helps businesses to transfer customers' experience and get faster delivery times. It is done by analyzing historical data and discovering connection between a process throughout the supply chain. Amazon using machine learning to provide exceptional customer service to its customer, and this is one of the best example of how machine learning improves customer experience. Machine learning also allows the companies to see the correlation between customer visit and product recommendation. So it can also help you to see there's a relationship between the customer visiting and what kind of product you can recommend them. Another challenging area in supply chain management is the production plans. So machine learning also optimize production plans, and by using the machine learning techniques and model can help identify inefficiencies and waste in the production. It also noteworthy to note that importance of machine learning in supply chain in creating an environment that is more flexible and able to deal with any kind of disruptions. So the reduction in disruptions and making it smooth flow can help to optimize our production plans with the help of machine learning. Another area where machine learning can help us in supply chain management is to optimize the routing. So machine learning algorithms can analyze and learn from historical delivery records and real-time data to help supply chain managers optimize the route for their vehicles, resulting in reduced driving time, increased productivity, and cost savings. Another important issue or matter in supply chain is its cost, its administrative cost and its operational cost. So machine learning also improves the connectivity with different logistics services provider, and integrating freight and warehousing process can reduce administrative cost as well as operational cost within the supply chain. So this is another advantage of machine learning in supply chain management. As we know that customer service is very important and the major objective of any supply chain is. So machine learning also helps us in this regard. Machine learning, which uses the most current demand and supply information to improve the company's effort towards achieving the highest level of customer service at the lowest possible cost, can be used to enable continuous improvement. So using of ML can improve and continuously improve our customer service, having the current and updated by using the current and updated data of the customers information system. Some of the issues we have in supply chain is related to our inventory and warehouse management. So with its models, forecasting tools and techniques, machine learning can solve both overstocking or understocking problem in supply chain and transform the warehouse and inventory management to its optimal level. So with artificial intelligence and machine learning, we can analyze large data set faster and avoid common mistakes. So we can find out these mistakes or error earlier, and we can have time to fix those. By this we are managing our warehouse and inventory problem earlier and timely, and give more and have a better service to our customer and at less cost. As we know, last mile tracking is very important in the supply chain management. So machine learning can be a great tool for improving supply chain efficiency in last mile delivery cost, which is a major chunk of supply chain cost. It takes into consideration different data inputs, data points such as how people enter their addresses and how long it takes to deliver the goods. Machine learning can also be a valuable tool in optimizing the shipping process and provide more detailed information to client about the status of their shipment. So that way it improves our efficiency and also our service in the last mile delivery of the good. Last but not the least is the fraud prevention. So as we know, there is a lot of frauds or tampering in the supply chain happening around the world. So machine learning algorithms can be used to improve product quality and reduce fraud risk, uh, including tampering by automating inspection, auditing, and then performing real-time analysis to identify if there's any abnormalities or deviations from the norms. Machine learning tools can also prevent privileged credential misuse, and which is one of the many causes of supply chain breaches worldwide. So we can prevent the misuses, and we can prevent the any tampering or any other frauds in the supply chain through machine learning by using the real-time analysis to identify if there is any abnormality or deviation in the supply chain. Lastly, machine learning and other innovative technologies make it easier to manage volatility and accurately forecast demand in global supply chains. So any disruptions can be deducted and their forecast become more accurate, Gartner's predicts that by 2023, at least half of all the global supply chain companies will be using the artificial intelligence or machine learning related transformational technology. So this is a testament to machine learning's growing popularity in supply chain industry. So this was the end of my lecture today, presentation about machine learning in supply chain management. Please, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So I will be glad to answer those questions. Thank you for your time and listening.